Hey guys, thank you for joining another episode of Mukbang with your host, Dongdigity. So today, we're gonna have some 제육 두부 kimchi 볶음 and side of japchae. So this is a spicy pork stir-fried with some tofu and kimchi. Yum. And this is really popular Korean side dish called Japchae, which is like the clear noodle mixed with like sesame seed oil and vegetable, and first boil it and then use the noodle. Like they mix it, not stir fry, like they mix it. So yeah, let's eat. And I got a side of aloe. Yeah. Yum. So I picked this up in my local Korean restaurant. The lady is super nice to us, and that's why she gave me a side of japchae. Yeah. Have you guys tried to grill kimchi before? It's so good. So first, get some tofu and choose your pork and some kimchi, and then you put it goes so well together. Oh my god, I love it. This is also good with rice too, but I think to substitute rice, we're using tofu. So good. And thank you for all your comments, lovely comments regarding my hair. Most of say I look really old. That's understandable because it's like gray hair, right? When kimchi gets like grilled or stir fried, it gets a little more crunchy, and the softness of tofu, and if you mix it with that meat, it's just perfect. I really like this. It's a bit spicy because of that kimchi, but because of tofu, it makes it's like kind of mild, and it's a bit sweet because of the onion. Forgot to. Oh well. Like little thing as japchae or this kind of food. I guess when I was growing up, it was always available at home. That's what my mom used to make and stuff. And I got advantage of it, I guess. Now I'm regretting it now because I have to pay for my Korean food. But before, man, I was like always like, I want pizza. Always appreciate what you have. So when I was working out, I realized, oh my god, I'm about to turn 28. Oh my god, I'm so old. I know. And soon I will hit 30. I feel like ever since after I turned 21, time went by so fast. I couldn't wait till I was 21, and now I passed that 21 mark. It just start. And then I talked to this guy who's 36. He told me, oh, you think that was fast? Just wait till you're 30, because then time moves much more faster. Oh well. It's not like I have a time machine or anything, although I wish I did. That'd be cool. Some more japchae. So, I never really liked my name as growing up. My full name is Donghyang, which it's like a lot of Koreans name their child with like Chinese character who have that good meaning. So my name is like Dong, which is like movement, and then Hyung as in shining in Chinese character. But I never liked it, to be honest, because I always use Dong and not use my middle name. And obviously, come on, Dong, D-O-N-G, I used to get made fun of a lot. I did have American name too, which is Travis, but I don't use it. Because, I mean, everyone makes fun of everyone for anything, so even if I change my name, they will probably have something else to make fun of me for, right? So I didn't really care, and plus I realized that people could actually remember my name because it's Dong. So yeah. So I don't really mind, but I asked my mom who named me, and then she said my father's father paid like one of those shaman people to create my name, and that's what they came up with. To be honest, I don't believe in those kind of stuff, but back in those old days, a lot of Koreans believed in those shamans, like ancestor and stuff like that. And there's a lot of people that still believe in those things, which I'm not gonna like say no, you guys are wrong or anything. You guys would believe anything. Because I know I used to believe in those things too, like, because my family did, and that's what I always just grew up knowing. Ooh, and hope you guys had a happy Easter. I was too, yeah, I had a dinner with lunch with Kimmy's parents and dinner with my little brother. Yep, that's how my Easter went. Ever since that's funny. The day I met Kimmy is also the day that I got punched in the face, which my jaw cracks a lot. Carrot. Kind of looks like kimchi, but it's carrot. And then I'm gonna add kimchi, some meat. I kind of wish I had rice now. This would be so good with rice. Sorry, sometimes a little spazzy. So I try to be a little more healthy with my choice of the foods outside of my mukbang. So I bought some vegan like protein shake and stuff like that. Cause I was gonna seriously get into shape by working out hard and whatnot. Then I found out that my protein shake like contains like a metal shred or something, so they like have to like recall it. I just drink like half of it already, so but I might become Iron Man. Oh. You know, it's so amazing how this fermentation food were invented, you know? Like kimchi. There has to be someone that who probably forgot that they made this thing, and then, you know, it was such a waste to throw it out, so they at least took a bite out of it and then was like, damn, this is good. It has to, you can't just like, I don't know. Like, I did a little project on it before, and that was my honest opinion, so I did have to share it. Yeah, I actually love doing presentation. I loved it from class, but mainly what I focused on was just pure fun, like comedy and like just chill. Not like, I know even though you're formally doing a presentation, I will still try my best to make people laugh. And I swear to God, I think that's like the best way to get good grades. I mean, I always got like A or A plus on it. Sometimes I was even ready, and then I'm like, oh shoot. So I'll grab stuff from my previous class and I'll make something out of it and did a presentation, and I still got A. I remember my friends were so like mad, like how is that even fair? Well, it's fair. I don't know if that was called teacher's pet, but I remember in the middle of the finals exam, after like third page, I wrote this, like I put a blank page and then I wrote on it saying, hey, I know all you did was grade paper this whole time, probably because now you reach my paper So why don't you take a little breather, which is good for you. So the teacher actually came back to me after like finals grade and then said, thank you Dong, that was very sweet. And then, and then she gave me a grade bump. In my teacher's pet. And then back in college, I do so hard to like try to party with like the teacher's assistants and stuff like that, which really didn't work out that well, but it's okay. You guys can say it. Don't get too. I'll be fine. I won't be hurt. Yeah, I was a fool when I was young. Some might say you still are a fool. It's okay.